Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. This is your history lesson. Students, as you know that we are reading chapter 2, Ancient Egypt of the Pharaohs. And in this regard, we have done this chapter successfully, as well as in previous lesson we did questions and exercise on the book. Students, in this lesson, I'll tell you more about the keywords that are used in this chapter, as well as short questions and some multiple choice questions. So, we start our lesson. First of all, glossary. Flagged. Flagged, to have something on both sides. Receded. Receded, moved back. Flourish, grow in volume. Flax, a plant whose fiber is used to make a linen, a soft, warm fabric. Embalmed, treated with herbal medicine in order to preserve. Scribes, a person who copies out documents, especially one employed to do this before printing was invented. Polytheists, worshipping many gods. Demotic, denoting or relating to the kind of language used by ordinary people. Hieroglyphic, a form of writing especially used in ancient Egypt, in which pictures or symbols are used to represent objects, concepts, or sounds. Papyrus, a material prepared in ancient Egypt from the pithy stem of water plant used for writing or painting. Short questions. 1. Who were the pharaohs? Answer. A pharaoh was the political and religious leader of ancient Egypt. Similar to a king, he owned all the land, made the laws, levied and collected taxes, and was responsible for the country's defense. 2. Who were the ancient Egyptian gods? Answer. The ancient Egyptians had many gods. Gods were often depicted with the bodies of humans and the heads of animals. Particular animals were chosen to represent each god's powers. The most important Egyptian god was Ra, the sun god. 3. What is hieroglyphics? Answer. The word hieroglyph has two Greek root words. Hieros means holy and glyphe means writing. Thus, hieroglyph means holy writing. Ancient Egyptians used pictures in their writing to represent objects, actions, sounds, ideas, or words. The pictures are known as hieroglyphics. 4. Why the pyramids were built? Answer. Pyramids were built by ancient Egyptians as tombs for their pharaohs. There are about 8 pyramids that we know of in Egypt today. The biggest and most well preserved of them were built at Giza about 4,500 years ago. Choose the correct answers. 1. Pyramids were built by ancient Egyptians as tombs for A. Cats, B. Pharaohs, C. Workers, D. Slaves. Correct answer is B. Pharaohs. 2. The Great pyramid is A. The tomb of the Pharaoh Khufu. B. The largest pyramid ever built. C. Located at Giza. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. 3. When did pharaohs begin planning their tombs? A. When they knew they would die. B. When they got married. C. When their regions began. D. None of the above. And the correct answer is C. When their regions began. 4. The Egyptians used dash to build the layers of the pyramids. A. Ramps. B. Electrum. C. Limestone. D. Mastaba. Correct answer is A. Ramps. 5. The pharaohs were buried with A. Their wives. B. The things it was thought that they would need after death. C. Food. D. Treasures. And the correct answer is B. The things it was thought that they would need after death. 6. A pharaoh was the A. Political leader of ancient Egypt. B. Religious leader of ancient Egypt. C. A and B. D. None of the above. And the correct answer is C. A and B. 7. Which of the following was not a title held by a pharaoh? A. Leader of the army. B. Lord of the two lands. C. High priest of every temple. Correct answer is A. Leader of the army. 8. The first capital of Egypt was A. Ra. B. Horus. C. Menes. D. Memphis. And the correct answer is D. Memphis. 9. During the Old and Middle Kingdoms, pharaohs were buried in dash when they died. A. The desert. B. The valley of the kings. C. Pyramids. D. Memphis. And the correct answer is C. Pyramids. 10. How were hieroglyphics read? How were hieroglyphics read? A. Left to right. B. Right to left. C. Top to bottom. D. It depended on the pictures. Correct answer is D. It depended on the pictures. 11. In which of the following places were hieroglyphics not found? A. Written on the walls of tombs. B. Written on papyrus. C. Carved into stone. D. Written on mummies. Correct answer is D. Written on mummies. 12. The word hieroglyph means A. Picture writing. B. Holy writing. C. Animal writing. D. Ancient writing. Correct answer is B. Holy writing. So students, this is your lesson for today. I hope you have understood a lot about the civilization of ancient Egypt. So this is for today. You have to revise this lesson properly and understand the terms used in this chapter. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.